Hey everyone, if you want to set any custom sound or song as your alarm on Android, I will show you how to do it step by step. First, open the clock app on your Android phone. Tap on the alarm tab and select the alarm you want to customize. If you don't have an alarm set yet, tap the plus icon to create a new one. Now tap on sound or ringtone depending on your phone. You will see a list of default alarm sounds, but to set a custom sound, look for the option that says on this device or add from phone. Choose a song or select from files depending on your phone. Browse through your music files and select the song or sound you want to use. If your file is not showing, make sure it's in MP3 or WAV format and stored in your phone's music or downloads folder. Once you select the sound, tap save or OK to apply it. That's it. Your alarm will now play the custom sound you choose. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Android tips. See you in the next one.